guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming and new Louis Vuitton bag collection. Yes, so I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, product feature, prices, SKU, and the launch date. All you need to do, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CA. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so we are going to discuss Pharrell's Capsule Fall 2025 collection that will be launching September 11, 2025. For the first one guys, we have the Messenger bag. It is like a wallet on chain size, so I don't have the official name and prices for this one yet. So the material is cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims. So in this lookbook guys, we are going to see that the styling is preppy, which I super love. So guys, we have the rugby clutch. So price of this one is 4,950 USD with SKU here. So I have discussed this previously on our vlog, but here we have now the lookbook. So the material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So this is a rugby football shaped clutch bag with detachable wristlet style. Then the return of the turtle crossbody bag. So material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, turtle shaped bag, and it comes of course with detachable leather crossbody strap. So that is the close-up guys of the turtle body. So I'm guessing guys, of course this is a mini bag, so you just have to be mindful of what you're going to put inside. Then another look for the rugby clutch. So same price is 4,950. So we are really going to see the preppy like school guy outfit. So love the styling. Of course that is the close-up. So it comes of course with two zippers, which I really love. So you could carry it without the wristlet and you could carry it with the wristlet as well. Next guys, we have the key pulse. So for the size, we don't have the size, prices, SKU to follow. So the material of this one is like a modern version of the May bean canvas with cowhide leather trims, detachable canvas strap, and bag tag. So still part that would be launching September 11th. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, another look for the rugby clutch that has the same price of 4,950. Love the styling of this one, love the jacket. So this is the close-up look on how in many ways that you could wear the rugby clutch. So this is the interior fabric lining made of monogram canvas, and in front of course it has the rugby logo. Next guys, we have the Speedy P9. So for the price and SKU, please do stand by. So the material is soft calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. And of course, as you're going to see close up, it has the LV Louis Vuitton monogram. It would come with detachable leather strap. It would come of course with the leather pochette, and it would come with bag tag as well. Next on the collection for the Capsule Fall Winter 2026 collection. So we have Keepall 26. Price of this one is 2,610 USD. We have SKU here. So I have discussed this previously, but here is now the styling at the lookbook. Love actually the colorway of this one from the monogram canvas heritage collection with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap and bag tag as well. Next guys, another Keepall 25, but for the price and SKU, kindly do stand by. So zooming in on this look guys, I could tell that the material of this one is in yellow epi leather with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap, and it will come with bag tag as well with the rugby logo. Love the colorway in bright yellow. Next bag, so we have the shopper tote, size MM, price and SKU, kindly stand by. So it is made of like the May bean. So I'm guessing guys, this is like a soft leather goods with cowhide leather trims. It would come of course with the raised Louis Vuitton logo. So this is the close-up of the print of the May bean. Next on the collection, so we have the soft trunk. So this was popularized by the previous designer. So we have the price and SKU. Please do stand by. So the main material is monogram canvas as we could see here, but it comes with the stripe design detail in front. It would come with detachable leather strap and detachable ball chain strap. Next on the collection guys, so I'm just putting it here. So we have the pochette glass. Price is 800 USD. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, rugby logo in front of the SLG, and of course it would come with gold chain hardware, football shape SLG. So I have discussed this previously on another vlog. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Which of the Louis Vuitton bag is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your opinion on the new collection. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!